Okay, so now we have started the unit 8 and that nobody's friend we had completed and started with the little bully, the boy, isn't it? Who is the bully? One who does mischiefs and cruelty towards others, isn't it? So we have seen that lesson and there we have seen that what was the name of the bully? What was the name of the bully? Yes, Hari, isn't it? So they all were going for the picnic and what happened to Hari? Nobody went along with him. He was alone and what happened? He went and sat near a rock. Others all went for enjoying, isn't it? Then suddenly he thought of eating. He got a big tiffin box with many items. What are the items he had? Boiled eggs, then sandwiches, bread and butter, ginger cake and a bar of chocolate, isn't it? So he thought he will have all this food for himself. He did not want to share to anybody because all went away from him. Why did all go away from him? Why did all go away from him? Because he was very cruel towards them, isn't it? What did he do? He pinches them and he pokes them with a pin. Yes, so all the children hated Harry and they all enjoyed with their own friends. So nobody was there with Harry. And while he was sitting near the rock, what happened? Suddenly who came? The monster crab, isn't it? The monster crab. So the monster crab came first. And what happened? Now madam will read from there, okay? Harry saw a monster crab walking sideways out of the pool. So from the pool it is coming. From the water, pool means it is the water content, isn't it? So from there, the monster crab is slowly coming. His eyes were on the ends of short stalks and he looked the most pure. So he was looking at that creature coming. He held out his friend claw. So he thought it is very good with its legs and all. Isn't it? Have you seen Nyandu? That only. So big one. So then its legs are coming, the claws are coming like that. Then he thought it is very good to have a friendly towards whom? This monster crab. Yes. Harry put out his hand to shake the crab's claw. So he thought he will give a good hand to whom? To the crab. And so shake hand. Isn't it? Good hand means a shake hand. When you see your friends, you give your hand to them. Isn't it? That means giving hand means shake hand to them. So he also thought he will give a shake hand to whom? To the monster crab. And he put his hand straight to the monster. So what did the monster do? But to his surprise, the anger, the crab opened his pincers and he nipped his hand so hard that little boy yelled. See, can you see? From this, what did he thought of giving the hand? And this one, what happened? It pincer. This is the pincer. It caught hold of him. Understood? So now, whose hand was not able to come out? Harry's hand was not able to come out from whom? From the monster crab. And the little boy yelled. Yelled means yelling. Cried loudly. So why did he cry loudly? Because now the pain started. Because it is a creature really and also small pin like structure is there. So then what happened? When that crab put his pincer caught hold of Harry's hand, it started paining for him. It was catching very boldly, firmly. So what happened? The pain started. For whom? Harry. Here is my good cousin, said the crab pleasantly. And to Harry's horror, he saw a large sandy lobster crawling heavily out of the pool. Before the little boy could stop him, the lobster took his hand in his great pencil like claws and pinched it so hard that Harry yelled in pain. So one by one, who started coming? The lobster, the crabs. One by one, another crabs coming, and they also catching hold of whom? Harry. And the pin from the pincer is pinching like him, like anything. So how he came to know that the pinching is now there? Because he used to pinch the children very hardly to make the black markings, isn't it? Like that, the pins of that crab started going inside his hand, and then what happened to Harry? He started feeling pain. And then again and again, what happened? He cried. Then he started at the pool. Then he stared at the pool in surprise. Again he looked into the pool. 4 out come sandy colored shrimps, prawns, more crabs and another large lobster. And they pricked Harry till he was soon black and blue with their pinching. So a large number of creatures from that pool. The pool was full of lobsters, prawn and all kinds of pinching animals, isn't it? So all came out one by one. They started coming and they started pinching whom? Harry. They started pricking him like pins, isn't it? Because they are having like a sharp claws, nails like pins. So with that pins they started pinching whom? Harry. And who felt the pain? So how much the animals are pressing, pinching, pricking on him? He started crying loudly because now he felt what? He felt the pain, isn't it? So when he started pinching and pricking the other children, he did not come to know how much pain it is, isn't it? So now who made him know the pain? These lobsters, prawns and crabs. They make him understand what is pain. How? How did they make him feel pain? By pricking on his body. Clear to you? Don't you like it? Said all the creatures in surprise. So everyone started saying, don't you like it? Why? We were told you would love to see us because you were a champion pincher and a pricker yourself. So they are saying, you are a champion pincher. You are a pincher and a pricker. So he used to pinch and prick the children, isn't it? So now these creatures in the pond, what are they saying? We know that you are a great champion in what? Not playing football or like that, isn't it? You are a great champion in what? Pinching and pricking. So now you enjoy with us. What you enjoy with us? Pinching and pricking. Join in the fun. Come join in the fun so that we can enjoy. Come in fun means we can enjoy. Harry leapt to his feet crying loudly. So now Harry did not know what to do. He started crying loudly. His lunch rolled into the pool, and when the crabs and lobsters saw it, they ran to it and began to feast eagerly. So before the animal creatures are coming, what was he going to do? He was going to have his rich lunch box, isn't it? Boiled eggs, sandwiches, bread and butter, chocolate bar, cake, everything was there. So he thought he will enjoy eating all those things. Now, what happened when these creatures started pricking and pinching him? He felt the pain and he started to move his body. And as a result, what fell into the water? The tiffin box fell into the water. Everything spread in the water. So when all the edibles were floating in the water, what did these creatures do? They ran after it to have cake, biscuits and chocolates, sandwiches and everything. they went after those intervals. Then feast eagerly. Harry saw that they had forgotten him for a time, and he returned and ran for his life, tears streaming down his cheeks. So now he thought, if again he stand over there, they will, after having all that sandwiches, bread, butter, cake, everything, after finishing all those things, again the creatures will come to attack whom? Attack Harry. Again they will come back from the pool to give him pinches and prickings, isn't it? So what did he do? He stood from there and ran out of the place. Tears streaming down. So when he was running out, escaping from those creatures, what was he doing? He was crying. Tears were coming from his cheeks. They only did to me what I keep doing to his other children. So now he understood the truth. What truth did he understood? What he used to do with the other children, now those creatures from the pool, what are they doing? Making him understand what is the feeling of pain by pinching and pricking. Understood? But how it hurt. So now he understood how much those children were feeling that pain, because now he understood what is pain, isn't it? So now he thought about those children when he used to pinch them, and how I hated these crabs and lobsters. I suppose the other children hate me too. So now I hate all these creatures because they are making me feel pain, isn't it? So the same only happened to those my friends also, because I was making them feel pain. They all hated me. They did not want me to be their friend. Well, I jolly well shouldn't pinch or prick anymore. So again, what I will not do? I will not ever pinch or prick. So now he understood that pinching and pricking are very cruel, isn't it? They are not only very cruel, nobody will become our friends. All will hate, isn't it? All will hate. So, do you like that? Do you want to be friend or hate? Which one do you want? Loving or hating? Yes. We all want everybody to love us, isn't it? Everybody to love us. We should not hate anyone, because only when do we hate others? When they give us pain, isn't it? When they give us pain. Suppose in the class all are sitting and one child is pinching the other one. Do you like to go and be friend with that student? No, isn't it? You will not like to go to be friend with that student, isn't it? What will you do? You will hate her, because if you know that if you go to her again, she will pinch you and make you feel pain, isn't it? So here Hari in the school, what was he doing? He was, all the children who are going along with him, what he used to do? He used to pinch and prick them very cruelly, isn't it? And many children tried to give him back, but he gave them more hardly. So they are not able to give him back, isn't it? But now, who gave him all the pinches and the pricks back? The lobsters, the prawns, and all the creatures from that pool gave him back all the pinches and the pricks what he had given to those poor children, isn't it? And then he understood that this much pain, how I felt, has been I was giving to those my friends, isn't it? That is why they all hated me. They all did not want me to be their friend, isn't it? And now he understood now. So do you think again Hari will do the same? No, isn't it? Hari became a good child. Yes or no? Yes, Hari became a good child. Understood now? Now we go to the exercise. Now that you have read and understood the lesson, can you answer the question? why did all the children hate Hari? Why did all the children hate Hari? Because he always pinched them. Because he would not talk to anyone. Because he always pinched them. Because he loved stealing their food. So he did not take anybody's food. Or he did not want to talk with them. Isn't it? But the only thing he did to the other children is that he always pinched them. Nobody took Hari's hand. Nobody went near him. Nobody played with him. This shows that Hari had no friends. Which of the following action would make a friendly person? Respecting other people. Then only when we love others only they will also love us. Isn't it? Then be calling people rude names. If you call bad name to the others, will they now become friends? No. Then pushing a smaller boy and making him cry. No. If you do like that also, they will not become your friend. Being helpful to everyone. Yes. When you are trying to help anyone, they will become your friend. Helping your classmates in school. Yes. Mocking at children, friends and hurting their feelings. Mocking means making fun of, calling other names. Protecting a weaker person, that means helping a weak person. Actions which would make a friendly person. So which are the actions? So which are the actions of making a friendly person? Yes, first one, respecting. Respecting other people. Then being helpful. Then helping classmates. Then protecting a weak person, isn't it? Protecting weak person. So these are the good habits we also should have. What are the good habits we should have? Respecting other people, being helpful, helping classmates, and protecting weak person. Understood? Now find out the words which are opposite. What are the opposite? Smile. Yes, cry. Then happy. Sad. Strong. Strong. Be strong. Yes, weak. Quiet. Always be quiet in the class. Be noisy. Then punish, reward. These are the opposite. First one, smile, cry. Then happy, sad, strong, weak, quiet, noisy, and punish, reward. Clear to you? Now, Hari was pinched till he was black and blue. Black and blue means Hari fell down in pain. There are bruises on the body. Hari painted himself in colors. Hari had a black and blue shirt. So, which is the correct one? There were bruises on his body. I shan't pinch anyone anymore. Shand says. Shalin means shalin. Shall plus not, isn't it? In the other lesson we have studied shall plus not is shall. Then give the full forms. Won't, won't, will not, yes. Then weren't, were not, wouldn't, would not, wouldn't, would not. A girl was sitting quietly beside him. Harry leapt to his feet, crying loudly. The words quietly tell us how an action is being done. Now fill in the 5 words ending with the ly. So ly, which are the words we can use? Ly, by adding ly. By adding ly. Noisely. Noisely. Then noisely, friendly. Then hopelessly. Then greatly. Clear to you? These are the words which can be used by adding ly. So there are many words others also you should find out. Understood? Clear, clearly. On the next page it is already given. Clear, clearly. Merry. So wherever y is there, second word is merry. M-E-R-R-Y. So there the change will comes. Instead of y, you have to write I. Understood? Instead of y, what we have to write? Yes, we have to write I. Clear to you? Then wearily. ILY, yes. Doubly, you know, dearly, again I, brightly, TLY, badly, fondly, FONDLY. Now can you make sentences? So now after that you have to make sentences. Let us practice with the pre and F. First one, pleased, pricked, pinched, punished. Fat, fruit, fell, forgotten. Palm, pear, proud, parade. Farm, fair, town, fish. Now bruise, cruise. Carriage, marriage. Pond, dawn. Creatures, features. Teachers, preachers. Vowed, cloud. Clear to you? Like that we can make many sentences. Now, how did the seaside creature, the crab, the lobster, etc. teach Harry a lesson? How did the creatures from the pool, how did they teach him a lesson? Harry has taught a lesson, was taught a lesson by these lobsters, isn't it? What is the lesson taught by the lobsters and the crabs? Not to make feel pain others by pinching and pricking, isn't it? And instead of pinching and pricking, what we have to do? We have to love them. Otherwise, they will hate you. Clear to you? A and do not join out any definite or particular person or things, whereas the is used when we speak of some particular person or thing. A and the are called articles. What are A and D are called articles? A and D. These are the articles. Articles. Clear to you? So A is used along with the consonants. Consonants. Then and is used along with the vowels. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So only these 5. Only for this 5, what are we Example, a cow. So this is C. C is a consonant. Then a chair. Clear? A bat. A watch. So all these words other than this. Understood? Let's suppose an owl. O is there. An umbrella. An egg. Then ice cream. Clear to you now? Clear? Hari was dash unpopular boy. Hari was un is coming, so yes, and the boys and girls went to dash seaside for a picnic. A seaside also we can write. Went to a seaside also we can write. He saw a big crab. I found an empty bottle. Dash sea creatures ate his food. The sea creatures. A crab has a hard shell, whereas a frog does not have one. There are many animals that protect themselves from their enemies with their outer cover, shells or quills. Crocodile, isn't it, having bigger hard body. Then snail going inside from the it is also having an outer covering, isn't it? Always carry the house with him. Then tortoise, same. Then turtle, small one is. Then lizard is having? No. Then snake? No. Gorilla? No. Frog? No. Hedgehog, porcupine, they all don't have their shells, isn't it? So only crocodile, snail, tortoise, turtle. These are the animals having their shell. So when we go to them or touch them, they will go inside and hide in that shell. Clear to you? Now paste or draw the picture of any one animal, write 5 lines about it. That you have to do. You can write any animals what you like, elephant, tortoise, crab, hare, rabbit or whatever it is there. Draw the picture, then write about it. Clear to you? So these are the exercises what you have to do for this lesson. Then we are coming to the next page. That is difference between a turtle and a tortoise. This is a turtle and this is a tortoise. Describe what is happening in the picture. So this is a park. This is the picture of a park. And there are, what are things are there? Slides are there. Then swing is there. Children are playing. Children are having staying everything, enjoying themselves, isn't it? You also can draw a picture like this in your notebook, a park. Understood now? And then you can make your sentences, ing, swinging, climbing, all that we can make it. The next page, Mary is dash up the slide. Mary is climbing. Hari is dash and boxing her, kicking. Little Batu is lollipop, licking. Having a lollipop, so it is licking. Rita is sliding down the step. Imagine what the children will do in the playground tomorrow. You can make such hints from the words given in the box. Playing can be they will play football or jumping or doing racing or badminton or running. So not only swinging and sliding, all that, other things also children will do. In the park they will play hide and seek, running they will do, or sometimes in the corner they may be playing cricket or football. So many items can be seen in the park. Write in groups of 4. See the picture of a shipwreck at the bottom of the ocean. Suppose you went deep sea diving, what did you find? Think of all the words that come to your mind. Then build a paragraph, share your story. So this is another story. What you have to make it clear to you. So these are the works you have to do in your notebook, and those are the homework. The remaining notes I will send to you. Clear to you, all of you? Or then you have to read the lesson many times and understand it. Now 2 more lessons are there for us. So this portion is unit 8 is been completed. Clear to you, all of you? Any doubt?